Hello, I'm Design Guy. I'll show you how to add awesome gradient effects to your designs in Canva. Click Create, select Custom Size, and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Type Shape in the text box to add a new text element. To change color, select and apply a gradient color option. To add a background to gradient text, go to the Elements tab, select Shape, and choose a rectangular or any desired shape to place behind your text. Select the shape to try editing it. Place this behind the existing text as the background layer. Select the shape, then choose a gradient. Pick a suitable gradient from the options. Next, add color to the gradient to customize its appearance. Click the linear gradient and change the style to circular. You can add colors like orange and purple to customize your design. Now that your text is inside the gradient shape, try increasing their sizes. When you're satisfied, click Share and then select Download to save your work. Add radiant color to your elements in Canva using these steps. Now you know how to add gradient colors in Canva and subscribe for more easy design tips.